You're welcome back. Welcome back on a trading session of freaking Friday. And hopefully we can have a trading day that is better than 2 days ago where I totally messed up. I feel tired. I'm gonna remove gold for the rest of you for the 2-3 weeks, guys. I'm gonna concentrate myself on looking at more just NQ for the moment, just because I really need I need to be more cautious of. I need to be good at trading one before trading two. That's mostly it. So we are above a lot of resistance, guys. That's crazy. Look at this in MNQ. Look at this in MNQ, guys, and see how we're right now above these highs. I was looking for them. I don't know if it created something on last day, but that's a lot of level I was looking for. And I wish we can continue a bit higher because there is a lot of opportunity there. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Zog. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam, brother. So I had a beautiful push on the 24. What the heck did I do of not trading NQ than trading gold? What did we do? What did we do last time? We really pushed nicely here. Did not have maybe any trade, but overall, let's see what we wants to do, because above this area of support, I'm happy to take longs. Hopefully we can get some longs that are interesting. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, nice quick 3 minutes candle there, coming lower, squeezing side, took some lows. If I I asked my colleague, he's in holiday. He's like, I don't think so. Then you're not in holiday, you're working. This is a lot of support here, a lot of wicks. We broke them. That's a level here. This one above, I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna fix a bit the line. Somewhere here, yeah, somewhere mostly there. And the second one, maybe somewhere here. We're coming lower. We've already taken previous day's highs. Wow. Alaikum salam, Nabil. How are you guys? I'm not gonna tell you Merry Christmas to you guys. We're selling off nicely. We've taken previous day's high, and after that, we're just selling off to maybe come back to these lows. But at the same time, I'm happy to see if after taking some lows, like we did right now, NQ wants to hold and continue pushing higher. That's what for me is the most interesting thing. So NQ did it as well. So I'm looking for that. Holding right now. Will be interesting to take longs here and risking these lows. I would be happy to see above this level the closure, above this area. Candle closing right now. How are you guys for the rest? Nabil, Zog, you're passing some good holidays? Are you doing something special this day? Going somewhere, visiting family and stuff like that? I don't know where you live, guys. Where do you live, Zog and Nabil? I usually know most of the people where they're from. Where are you from, guys? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you spend your time? Good evening, Iron. Iron, what a beast trader, man. I spoke about you. Merry Christmas in my latest video. I was like, Iron, the beast. It took $170,000 payout. Honestly, I was thinking to take long here. But then I was like, I wish to have a little bit closure above before taking longs. But let's see how it was. We still have time. I'm in California, but I was born in Algeria and grew up in France, man. You were standard Algerian, and then you decide to go to California. Until Algeria and France, you were standard, like me, Moroccan in France or Italy. You're gonna move to Bali? Man, we're gonna see each other in Bali then. I will be in Bali next year. I was thinking to take these longs, but it's just too quick. I'm gonna relax, guys. I just need one good trade. Here, risking 3. I was risking, yeah, I could have risked 6 contracts there easily. Here, I could have risked 7 contracts to try to make 532. Yeah, same. I've been in Bali twice as well, and I love Bali. And many people say I don't like Bali, and some people love Bali. So there is a lot of this double side. But I believe, like any place around the world, it's not a lot about the place, but it's about the people you meet. So, for example, to Bali, I always met very good mindset people, very good souls, very good locals, very good entrepreneurs, traders as well, very good mindset. And for that reason, I really loved it. Other people go there and they spend time only in the beach party place, and they're like, I don't like it, it's too much influencer. Yeah, if you go for certain places, for certain things, anywhere around the world, you will find something that you don't like. If you go to Miami and decide just to party, spend time only during the night, you might enjoy a different type of Miami than another person goes to Miami and sees a different one. Unfortunately, I did not take these longs. Take profit would have been done in 3 minutes, but it is what it is. These lows were taken. We hold a little bit, but did not hold as much as I wished. Right now, to be honest, I see only upside. And that's the point of many people, guys. Many people are blocked with this idea of one place is bad, one place is good, just because of their experience. One place is good, and one place can be bad as well. There is no place that has good and only good things and only bad things. It's just a matter of experience it, accepting it, and living, trying to different things. If you see that I'm not enjoying Bali, then try to change something. Try to change the areas, try to change place, try to speak with more people. Oh, guys, I regret I did not take this longer. But we'll see. Now it's coming back. Now it's taking previous day's highs. Does it want to come back and take previous day's low? Oh, wow, that's getting interesting again. Wow, that's, oh, okay. Do we have news today, guys? On 26, no news. Are you short, Nabil? Are you short? That's honestly, that looks if this candle closes very bearish like it's doing it right now, that's honestly, that looks, I'm mostly long biased because of the daily candles, but to be honest, this is possible if it closes. Let's see how it does it, because anything can happen. Also, yes, grab the previous day's highs right now, so it can be a liquidity grab as well on ES and turning back down. Now it's really coming strong, this candle from a big week. Buyers are getting are coming back here. Sellers getting squeezed a little bit there. Let's see. 15 seconds. I mean, the most important things is when you take a trade is that you've taken it with your setup, that you have accepted the loss, and that's all. That's the and many times every time there is a red trade, we always try to look for where did I make the mistake? Where did I make a mistake? Yeah. This short still valid with your strategy ideas. Take it. Move on, accepting it. It's gonna be win. It's gonna be a losing day, a losing trade, whatever. This one is yeah. For the moment, still closing strongly bullish. So it's good chance it's right now gonna continue higher, but who freaking knows? I really don't know. I'm gonna wait and see what the market wants to do. The only things I was like is this long idea here, but it's a closing of a red candle with a wick lower. It's a bit. Oh, nice. So I like as well. Jose trades like that right now as well. He takes a smaller contract and he has a much bigger stop loss and take profit. Like for example, if I had to take a trade something with that idea, my friend, like somewhere here, I would have taken already some longs and have like a huge large stop loss and be like, you know what? I take it here. If I was taking like with that idea, I would be like, I'm gonna take it up to these lows, something like that, you know, or close it somewhere here around very large stop loss and let it run up to the next level and see where can I make it run. When something like this would not be bad as an idea. Large stop loss to allow to breathe. Oh my god, I got a cramp. Yeah, it's totally enough. People have that's what I don't like about online people is the idea of like you need to trade minis honestly should not be touched at all. The only things you need to trade minis really is if you are that scalper of like 6 7 10 points 15 points, you're scalping for these points, but you have to you know that you're going to take 1 or 2 trades per day. Guys, I don't know if you watched my latest video about in my channel, and I spoke about the fact that full-time trading for me does not exist. And it's not it's of course the title is very more clickbait and stuff like that, and full-time trader exists and they're very little percentage, but full-time trading for me should not be pushed online. Full-time trading should be something that should not be advised, because especially for beginners, you want to have that consistency of trading, be relaxed about trading, taking action without being worried about money. So to have this situation, you need to make money somewhere else. And that's what I say in that video is find something. It doesn't have to be a job. It can be another type of income or entry, and get something like just get another type of investment or entry that makes you like, you know, this month I did not make money from trading, but I got $5,000 from this. Let's go. I made money from the week. I paid for my expense, and trading next week is gonna make me 50,000. Great. You know, it's more income. Anyway, in this life, more income is the way. Iron, full-time degenerate. Yes. For me, it's no matter what, you have to have more incomes. What's up, brother? How was your Christmas? Very chill, to be honest. Today I'm working, so back working today. We did a few hours this morning. Now 1 hour of trading, and then we're back again. I'm looking to be honest to maybe to short this, because it's coming back lower twice. can aim for these lows here. This low took this one, but we have the pre-market low. And where is the previous day's low? Very far, somewhere here, too far. It's double top, double bottom here. Let's see how it was. There is an area here of support, so I'm not gonna touch it. Wait. I see something else there. I see something else. I see, this is, I see a push. Get people getting stopped out here. This can be a continuation long right now, because if it closes like that, you just hit your TP? Man, very good job, man. Very good job, Jose. Long 755 minutes. Honestly, I'm thinking about longs, huh? This thing is holding nicely. It took some lows here. So I have to take it somewhere there. I'm gonna try to get filled. If I get filled, trying to fill me there. Wow. Not at all. Now I'm long. Tell me to short. Maybe it's the short is the way. Just do my opposite, my friend. Just take the opposite I do, and you will be good. I'm just taking a continuation of this. After we dip lower here, and we're holding these levels. You're long too? Oh shit. Wait, you said your TP was to hit. This means your TP, or your TP is not hit yet, or you went on long again. We need this to like just skyrocket right now. Just go long, just skyrocket. Running traffics. This shit is now try right now rejecting it. Come on, turn. You're getting 123 long. Okay. Maybe hopefully we can get a long together, my friend. That works. But because you take it long with me, it's good chance it's not gonna work. You know, what we want right now is that massive candle, like No, we just want green candles right now. Can we get just green candles, green candles, green candles, green candles, green candles? No, instead we're having red candles, red candle. Oh my god, what did I? We're gonna have just red candles. Look at that. The moment I enter, we have only red candles, and I went long. This week here, 895. It does look a better stop loss, to be honest. But just if I move it there, I'm losing $454. That's more than I wanted. I kept my loss to this low here, but good chance this is gonna be liquidity grab. Yeah, this chance is gonna be liquidity grab. My brain tell me we're gonna get stopped out and this moves higher, but I have to try to resist moving my stop loss. For the moment, this area is trying to hold, but yes, not holding at all right now. Yeah, maybe I went too early on the trade, but the loss is already taken right now. The way to do it, guys, is zoom in, zoom. We're still far. We're still far. We're still far. We're still far. Oh, wow. I got even slippage there. This is going to be liquidity grab. Wow, I got slippage. I got a lot of slippage there. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I went too fast on the trade. I was like, okay, we pushed down, pushed up, and stopped these people out. But yeah, maybe too early. You're next. Yeah. Let's see, my friend. If this one does not, if this one closes that red, I mean, we might take a short, eh? Because this shit is just selling off. How much is the short to here? Wow. This is the short moment. This is not holding, grabbing these highs. I thought this was going to be a continuation. We had a nice 50 minutes candle closure above. So that's why I was like, I'm going to step in. Definitely this week I did not trade the best, unfortunately. This was a quick short to do. Maybe looking for pre-market lows. No, yeah, pre-market lows there. That's totally fine. Guys, we're not good with these accounts. We're 50,600. Hopefully we're not going to blow up. We'll be sad because we had a really good run. We'll be sad to blow up after I had a good convention. Look, if it wants to come back, I might try to short. No, yeah, no, wait. Let me remove this order. Wait. As much as I like that it closed lower. Yeah, I'm thinking more. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I have indecision right now. I'm gonna wait. As these things start to close again above. This market is so shit, guys. This market is so shit. Just slap us. It's just slapping us all the time. Just slapping us all the time here. Look at that. What is this? What is this price action? Did it just come back there? Oh yeah, just come back there. Would have been a, oh my god, would have been a great entry. I mean, would have been even 285 to make, oh my god, I didn't realize that even at these lows would have been a great risk reward. Risking 270 to make these, oh, would have been a great. Would have been great anyway, guys. I didn't realize that. It's called shitty price action for real. I honestly didn't realize that this would have been already a great risk reward and it was good enough to, and not aiming for these super lows, but aiming for these lows of New York session. Honestly, this would have been already a great entry. Like waiting for it, risking even 6 contracts here. You will risk risking 5 contracts. You risk 275 to make 430. That would have been already a great trade. Yeah, I didn't think about that, to be honest. Gonna leave it there. Gonna leave it there. Yoo-hoo. Guys, I regret. See, this was a beautiful short. It was a beautiful short. I went too early for this long. Then when this candle came, it was a beautiful short. I'm not trading the best. I mean, I'm hesitating in some a lot on some trades, and then the hesitation comes to the next trade. So it's not the best trading this week for me, to be honest. A lot of indecisions that made me a lot of mistakes. This, for my point, it was okay, nice long here, and this okay could have been better, but at the time I looked. Yeah, I was looking for the 26,000, to be honest, as a target. But to be honest, right now, it sucks because I had the right idea there to take a short, and I didn't do it. It's just because I was thinking about this target, but this target was totally enough, the market lows, and it's gonna do it. I'm just dumb as hell. 242, making almost 500 from that. Yeah, not trading the best this week. This week definitely had a big loss. I lost maybe $700, $800 from these accounts. That's annoying. Or even more. Maybe I lost $1,000 from these accounts. It's annoying as hell. We're gonna be ready for 2026 at least. Ready to get crushed. Ready to get crushed, guys. This is still a short continuation. It's coming for the lows. It looks heavy. That's true, Black Fucker. Yeah, right. If I have to blow up, at least let me blow up when I'm in Brazil. At least I go later at the beach, take my acai and relax. Go surfing. Yeah, today I'm gonna surf as well. Yesterday I tried, but so many people because it was holiday. The beach was packed. It was so hard. So I went to a difficult area where I'm not yet ready. I'm so dumb, guys, for this. So dumb for this short. Last week I traded much better than this week. If I have to take right now a short, it will come somewhere here. The candles come back here. Then I might take it, still take it, and aim for the lows of pre-market. Why? Because that's the hour candle is closing nicely red. I have space in it, but he has to come back and give me a better entry. If not, these things will come to the low side. I'm so dumb. Because I could have taken that short. And now it's wow, it's just broke it like nothing. It's just skyrocket to the downside. Right now we're going just lower side. We'll come to these lows and let's see how it evolves afterwards. Yeah, the 50 minutes candle closed nicely here. Here, it looks amazing, to be honest. It's just for me. If it come back somewhere here, I would have taken it. It will give me a nice risk reward. But right now, if I was taking it there, I would not. I was have less than 1-to-1. It would have been like in no time. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Literally, you're already having the low of the day taken. Oh my god! What the heck? I should have taken this trade. So dumb. Boom. I would have brought somewhere here the take profit. Yeah, this honestly I'm trading not good. I'm not trading very well this period. Not at all. Not at all. I'm trading shit. PDL is previous day low. Oof, previous day low. What is it? Somewhere here. All been interesting. Right now we took we take previous day pre-market low. Let's see what wants to do. I'm not happy how I traded today, guys. Very disappointed with myself because this one was a little bit rush. This not was not an A plus setup for me. That was I have to really admit it. This was not an A plus setup. For me, an A plus setup, for this one to be an A plus setup, this thing should have come back, closed above, and looked for a long. Instead, I went for like after candles. I usually don't take these candles, so I'm kind of disappointed with myself. Why now I did that shit? What is it? Ah. So I'm kind of disappointed with myself with that. So I could definitely have avoided that. Usually it takes 2-3 days, but I think because now it's holiday. Yesterday was holiday for everyone, so and today can be holiday for some. So it might take 1-2 more days. You should have answer, I think today or Monday. Guys, I'm thinking about now that we grab the longs, the short here. I wanted to say, did NQ did it? NQ take the short? Yes. I might try to grab this long, guys. A continuation, but I would like to see this closure above. This long here. So unhappy with my trading. So unhappy. This can be a long, guys. I would have wished to close above this area. So unhappy with my trading today. So unhappy. Would have been easily a green day. Easily. If I were just a little bit more relaxed, that I've not been in these days. Wednesday, I wasn't relaxed. And I FOMO with my entry. I did really FOMO my entry on Wednesday. So annoying. I FOMOed on that gold. If we start to close above this area, I might already grab some longs and gonna aim for the ride above. I need to see some closing. Like if, for example, the 15 minutes candle closes nicely strong, I might take it long. Traffics, thank you so much for analyzing my trades. I don't really care about your analyzing, but keep going. It's like I said, I could have taken this long, it was green trade, and this short was a short trade. I just took the wrong trade. Thank you so much. It doesn't matter the time. I can take the trade right now long, and maybe I'm incorrect or correct. It doesn't mean shit the first minutes. I'm just FOMOing on entries. I'm gonna wait to see if we see a 50 minutes candle closing that is strong enough. I will try to grab the long. I like it still the long ideas. Man, Wednesday I fucked up these days. Should have been mostly green. Wednesday I should have not taken any trades, and today I should have just taken. Oh my god. Yeah, that's what I look as well. MNQ for me looks like more bullish than short bias. I still see more long side. Now that we've taken lows, I just want to see some closure above level. So above this area, the 15 minutes candle is closing in 5 minutes. Only NQ, my friend. Only NQ. I'm looking for a long. So annoyed by today. So I had the right idea of like taking quick long here. And if I did not rush this stupid entry that is not totally my A plus setup, this is not, this is A plus setup. This is a freaking A plus setup shot. We are liquidating the long, we're closing nicely low below levels. Like below these levels, we liquidate highs. This is a nice setup to come to the lows. We're in a big resistance as well, or close to a big resistance on daily chart. Ah! Let's see. Okay, grab more lows. If you want to grab more lows, do it right now. Especially yes, I'm looking for some lows in yes to be taken. We're back at the lows. Pre-market. Oh my god. I'm so done. Today was already done. Long short. Instead I'm here. That annoys me, guys, because for me, I know what I have to fix, and it's my impatience in trades. Just wait until you have a good setup, and then when like you see a good setup, take it. Fucking take it. Like today, I waited, I didn't take one, but I took the one that was not a good setup. But then when there was a good setup, I didn't take it. This is craziness of trading. Let's see. Let's see. This is coming back. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Let's see how it closes in the next 1 minute. Are buyers stepping in and sellers are done? Ah. So stupid. Such a stupid trading day. So damn stupid, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna be that harsh on myself, but okay. I'm liking this long idea, guys, because also yes, finally took some lows. And we're seeing some wicks there. If I see some closure above here, I'm thinking to take a long. I'm gonna jump in one contract, one macro contract, just to be in a position right now. And then we evaluate, but I like, at least if I'm wrong, it's gonna be only $55 loss. But I like where ES is right now. Let's see, only one contract. To PDL, let's see if it goes down. And if it goes up here, above here, start to close above this area, I will be with full position. For the moment, I like where ES is bouncing and I made some nice wicks. Only one contract, one micro contract, guys. Only risking $50. In this case, we'll look at the highs for the day. OCO. If we start to close above, I will look to add. On let's see, I like it just because of ES. Look at this ES. I'm looking at, look at this ES. Grab the previous pre-market lows here, closing with nice wicks. Grab, boom, reversed. Looking showing some strength here on the buying here with some wicks. So it's skyrocketed, taking some lows and just reversed on them reversed on people. So I'm betting as well on this ES helping too. If I start to see some closure above, I will add to this position until I get to my full max loss on a trade. 38 seconds there. We might get entire position on. It's getting now there. I'm gonna get one contract more there. It wants to come back. If it doesn't want and it wants to skyrocket without me, I'm in peace. At least I'm one contract in. One contract added. Looking to add the other contract. Free contract added. And right now I'm around $219 loss. If it wants to come back and add me the last contract. Oh, if it wants to do it. If it doesn't want to do it, it's okay. And we're gonna go for the highs. I like how is the hour candle in NQ is turning. Oh well, that was it. We got it before. And we're gonna do limit order here 500 and stop loss gonna be $300, 290. That's it, guys. Order is there. OCO. I'm gonna put a screenshot, share it in Discord, and I'm out of this place, guys. Last trade of the week, done with this one. This is the trade. Good luck to everyone. Wish you the best. And I'm done for the day because I should have been done a long time ago. I really like this trade anyway. I'm gonna keep it like that. Very strong on the daily chart and hourly chart. Right now we're turning back to green. For the rest, love you guys and see you around. Have a good one.